conservation experience is about looking closely at each element of the ecosystem and learning about the importance of each element.
It's simply about everything from the dung beetles to the elephants, from the grass seeds to the trees.
Every aspect of the ecological world has a purpose, and as part of hands-on nature education, we take a look at the intricate details of the bush. The wild world is so vast and fascinating, and there are many concepts that can be derived from the subject of conservation. But what brings everyone together is the concept of wildlife and habitat preservation.
Horley Safaris is synonymous with conservation and education,
and offers guided, interactive group safari experiences that fully involve participants in nature.
This is where we learn to identify animal tracks, bird calls and scat, and how to find constellations in the sky.
Through these excursions into the wild, you'll learn that termites run the world, and that sleeping beneath the night sky is either going to be the best or the worst sleep you'll ever have. It is definitely an awakening experience for the nature lovers out there.
Nature is a field of study, an inspiring, immersive experience that opens a whole new world of interest.
What begins as a tour of the unknown land turns into a lifelong passion for African wildlife and a better understanding of what it takes to conserve it.